What's up, everyone? It's your boy Dio from funkla.com, frunkla.com. Today, let's talk about the S&P 500 companies by weight and the Tesla inclusion. So the S&P 500 component weights are listed from the largest to the smallest. Data for each company in this list is updated after each trading day. So today we have let's take a look at the first 10 companies. We have Apple, we have Microsoft Corporation, we have Amazon.com including Facebook, Alphabet Class A, Alphabet Class C, Warren Buffett Company, Johnson & Johnson, Visa including Procter & Gamble, JP Morgan at number 11. So in this first component of the S&P 500 from 1st to 21st, we can see Apple at the first and we can see Pfizer including at number 21. So let's take a look at the market capitalization. Apple is sitting on 1.9 trillion US dollars, followed by Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook. And if we go to number 8, Johnson & Johnson, we can see this is a huge, large market cap company, 394 billion US dollars, Johnson & Johnson. And if we go to number 20, Bank of America Corporation, we can see 215 billion US dollars. If we compared all this to Tesla presently, as at yesterday's market closing, Tesla is sitting on 289 billion US dollars in market cap. Tesla stock jumped as much as 6% in after-hour trading on Tuesday after the company announced a 5-to-1 stock split, set to go into effect on August 31st, 2020. So the idea is just if you own a share, you'll be given 4 extras, you end up owning 5 come August 31st. But I'm not here to talk about the stock split, as mostly everyone has already covered this section. But I'm not here to talk about the splitting, as you can find enough information about it on the internet. I'm just here to predict which company is likely to get out of the S&P 500 and be replaced by Tesla. So today I would like to talk about the company that is most highly likely to be removed from this list and be replaced by Tesla. As we all know, the S&P 500 index consists of most but not all the largest companies in the United States of America. The S&P market cap is 70 to 80% of the total US stock market capitalization. And we can say the top 3 companies are, of course, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon.com. So if Tesla is supposed to be included according to market cap, then I believe it's going to be below MasterCard and Nvidia Corporation. Nvidia has like 281 billion US dollars in market cap and MasterCard 327. But we all know it's not going to be based on market cap. So let's go to the next page. If we take a look at this list from 1 to 500, we have only 2 companies with the name petroleum in their title. I would love to see a petroleum company getting out of this S&P 500 and being replaced by a company that is doing everything possible to help humans attain sustainable future. So we have this Marathon Petroleum Corporation with a market cap of 24.8 billion US dollars. And if we take a look at the chart, this is provided by Yahoo Finance. We can see, if we zoom in, if we go to the marks, we can see from 2011, this company has been listed on the S&P 500 or EPOD, I don't know. But the maximum Yahoo Finance charts is providing is from 2011 till date. So I think around the EPO price was 20 US dollars was the EPO price, and presently the stock price of Marathon Petroleum Corporation is 38 US dollar, which is horrible. The price went to all-time high in 2018, goes I think above 85 US dollars per share, and now it's down, like heading down. So all right, so let's go to number 345, which is Occidental Petroleum Corporation, Oxy, with a market cap of 13.8 billion US dollars. And I think there's very high chance this company is going to be replaced by Tesla. Why am I saying that? Take a look at the chart. This company has been existing before 2000 and the price has barely moved. It has been crashing since 2011. After hitting an all-time high of around maybe to 125 US dollars, around that price. And we can see, if we take a look at the weekly interval, we can see the price has been dumping and it looks as if the price is headed towards zero. I can easily predict this company. There's a very high chance S&P 500 committee is going to remove this company from the list, and Tesla is going to be replacing this company. When it's gonna happen? Few weeks. Give it few weeks. All right. So if we take a look at the companies at the bottom of the list, I mean from 485 to 506, we can see Occidental Petroleum Corporation, Warrant, whatever is at 506. I mean that shouldn't be there, but as we all know, S&P 500, once a company is removed and replaced by a company, both companies are going to be listed for a couple of days, weeks, months, I don't know. So that's why we have 506 on this list. And if we take a look at all these, let's say number 500 is Gap including, and we go up, PVH Corporation 492, and Invesco Limited, that is 488. All these companies have market cap, I believe, below 10 billion US dollars. So these are like 2 billion US dollars company, market cap company, 5 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion US dollars. And yeah, let's wait and see. Normally every middle of the week, this committee of S&P 500 are like coming together and deciding what's going on with the index. And there's, since today is 13th, there's a very high possibility that this month or before the end of the month, my prediction was 15th, which is in 2 days, but still until now we don't have any news about this inclusion of Tesla. And after this amazing news from 2 days ago about the stock split, and next month we have this battery day, I think. So that's all I have for you guys today. So what are you guys thinking? Which company do you think is going to be replaced by Tesla, and how soon, or when do you think this inclusion is going to happen? Feel free to use the comment section. I remember your boy Dio from funkla.com. Peace out.